Happy morning. Today's topic is about positive signs of pregnancy. Pregnancy, demonstration of fetal parts and movements. Head, limbs of fetus can be felt around 24th week of gestation, where active movements of a fetus can be elicited by 16th to 18th week, and even in some cases where it can be even earlier, it can be demonstrated. And by method of palpation, by placing hands of the examiner on the part of uterus where these movements can be detected. In case of a fetal heart sound, again it is method of by auscultating. Again it is one of the definitive sign of pregnancy. The fetal heart sounds are heard between 18 to 20 weeks of pregnancy, and by the 5th month, where fetal heart sounds range about 160, and by the month of 9th month, where the fetal heart sounds are 120 in rate, and they can be monitored, recorded accurately by electronic fetal monitors, and they won't synchronize with a mother's pulse. There are some circumstances where a fetal heart sound is not audible, where an attempt that has been made prior to 18 weeks of pregnancy, and here the reasons could be of miscalculation of the ELMP. Second, where there been a presence of a dead fetus. Thirdly, hydramnios, where there been an excessive collection of liquor amine, where a fetal heart sounds are not being heard. And fourth, due to the obesity of the patient. Fifth, abnormal fetal position within the uterus, which prevents the transmission of the sound. Placental and umbilical souffles. And here placental souffle is nothing but a soft murmur heard over the placental site, and here the rate that corresponds to the fetal heart sounds. And umbilical souffle, again a blowing murmur produced in umbilical cord. And the other name for umbilical souffle is phonic souffles. And by radiological imaging methods, and here the demonstration of fetal parts can be detected by 15th to 16th week, and by looking at the shadows that can be searched in mother or annular shadows of the skull, series of small dots in linear arrangement, that is of vertebral column. Third, series of fine curved parallel lines of ribs, linear shadows of limbs. These are the shadows that can be demonstrated, and these again substantiate with the fetal body parts. And in ultrasonogram, this is done by employing three-dimensional scanning with an ultrasound. And here demonstration of gestational sac by the 6th week of gestation, demonstration of fetal heartbeat by 10th week, fetal head and thorax by 14th week. Even gestational age can be determined by calculating the crown and rump length in 8th to 14th week of pregnancy. And the signs of a fetal death are spalting sign, collapse of spinal column due to absence of muscle tone or presence of gases in the heart as well as in great vessels. And in this image you can able to see spalting sign. Spalting sign is nothing but overlapping of skull, and classically seen in dead fetus. And in precise in a macerated fetus we can able to demonstrate spalting sign. Again it is a radiological sign. And in case of a dead, where presence of embryo, fetus, placental tissues and other products of conceptions can be detected. And secondly, the uterus will be thickened and increased in size. Third, a well-formed corpus luteum is found on ovaries, and even in decomposed or exhumed bodies where a fetal bones can be found as an remains in the uterus. Thank you so much for your patient listening. If there have been any doubt and query relating to the content of the video, kindly address those issues in comment section below or any of the social media links that have been provided in description section. Thank you.